If the create another profile option is not showing up on Facebook, then here are a few steps you can try to resolve this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure you are in the right section of Facebook to add a new profile. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device, and if you are already logged into any account, then you cannot create a new account within it without logging out of that account. So, first of all, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen, then navigate to the menu settings on Facebook. Now, scroll down and tap on the logout option available there. A confirmation page will appear again, and tap on the logout again and log out of your current profile. Now all you have to do is tap on the create a new profile or create a new account option available there. Now all you have to do is follow the instructions of Facebook to create a new profile. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.